Hello friends, this is Amit Manjrekar, your Operations Director of Me Udyojak, and I'm going to talk about a very important topic today. This is going to be about why you should invite visitors for your Me Udyojak meeting and why is this a good time to invite them. First, let's look at it from our point of view, as a member's point of view. So let's say that we are meeting one person every week, one or two persons every week, new persons. So what that means for us is that we are getting to know one or two new people. Now consider this over the period of 6 months, that is 26 weeks. You are talking about 50 new people. With 50 new people, you are having a possible database of 50 people, from which at least 5 will be of direct use to you. Maybe the connections that they are having, maybe the contacts they are having might be of your use. So it is important for us to get connected to these 50 people. So this is why we should be getting in touch with one or two visitors per week. Now this is from our perspective. Okay, so now let's look at it from a visitor's point of view. Why it makes sense to come to an online meeting? Firstly, it is very convenient. He can sit at home and attend this meeting. He can do multitasking while sitting in office and still attend a meeting. He does not need to travel for this meeting. He does not need to get stuck in traffic jam to attend this meeting. So also, there is also the aspect of being safe from COVID infection. So he is not meeting anyone in person. So chances of him contracting COVID-19 sitting at home are very minuscule. You can also talk about an angle where schooling and babysitting are the concerns. Being at home, they can address this concern also. Time commitment is not a problem at this point of time, because you can sit at office and attend this meeting. You can sit at home and attend this meeting. You could be doing other things and multitasking, although I would not suggest it, but one could do that. Lastly, even though his or her business might be shut down as a result of COVID, but it helps to get connected to a community of entrepreneurs. So if he comes to a meeting, he gets to know 20-25 people who are there in the meeting. As Me Udyojak members, if we are meeting 50 new people in 6 months, the question needs to be asked to a visitor, what was his strategy for meeting 50 new people in 6 months? Here in Me Udyojak, we are trying to create a positive environment, and that is something that he can get to experience. People help each other out. During one-to-ones, you can ask other questions as to how they are running their business. This might be a good time to learn from each other as to how people run their business, what are the different tips and tricks that they use to run their business. Now, this is something that can be beneficial for a visitor also. So these are some of the points that you should remember while inviting a visitor, and these are some of the points you can explain to him as to why you should come for Me Udyojak meetings. So this is Amit Manjrekar from Me Udyojak. I'm the operations head. Thank you and have a good day.